Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create a new contact on VIVO V29 Lite. Firstly, go into the Phones app. Now tap on Create New Contact. Select where you would like to store your contacts to. It can be to your device, SIM card or Google account. I'm going to use my device. Now, if you tap on this arrow, you're going to see every blank for name, such as name prefix, first name, middle name, surname, and name suffix. Obviously, you have to fill all of them. The most important is going to be the first name and the middle name. You can also add the company, and the most important, which is obviously the phone number. You can add few of them and label each one of them individually as something different. This one can be work, fax, but let's say this one will be home. It works the same with an email, so you can add few of them and label each one of them individually. You can also add a significant date, so maybe it's 25th of December 2024, and I'll label it this time as something custom, let's say an appointment. Okay, now we can tap on more fields to see more fields, obviously, and the fields are going to be address, website, related person, relationship, SIP. You can also write notes, and label are just groups, so we can create a group like work or family or friends. Okay, and now we can select in which groups we would like to have this contact assigned to. Let's say work and family, work and friends. Okay, and again, you have to fill all of these blanks. You just have to fill like at least the phone number and the name. You can also tap on this icon to select a profile picture for this contact. I'm going to choose from gallery. Now you will have to align it and crop it. You can also rotate it. Now just tap on Save Copy and tap on Save in the top right corner to save this contact. And here is our contact at the bottom. And now if you would like to share some information with this contact, you can just hold it, tap on copy to clipboard, and then just paste it. Or if you tap on the 3 dots in the right corner and tap on share, you can select the information that you would like to share, then tap on continue. And now a small file is going to be created that contains all of these selected informations, and you can just share this file to someone. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.